Have you ever thought that you can reduce stress and anxiety just by tapping certain points on your body? This is called EFT or Emotional Freedom Technique, also known as psychological acupuncture. Today we shall see how EFT tapping works. Hello, I am Dr. Anand Patil, consultant psychiatrist and psychotherapist practicing since the past 26 years. The basic principle of EFT tapping is that our body has energy meridians and there are blocks in these energy meridians. When we are stressed, our amygdala, the brain's alarm system, gets activated and releases cortisol. Research shows that when we tap on certain points, it releases the blocked energy and sends a safety signal to the amygdala, which immediately reduces the stress levels. The method is very simple. Do it with me now. So if you have specs, you can remove them. So first, rate your stress level on a scale of 1 to 10. Then tap on the karate chop point. Start tapping side of your hand and say, even though I am very stressed, I completely love and accept myself as I am. Tapping the eyebrow points, say, all the accumulated stress, release. Tapping the side of the eyes, say, all the causes of stress, release. Tapping the point below the eyes, say, all the ill effects of stress on the body, release. Tapping the point below the nose, say, negative emotions because of the stress, release. Tapping the point on the top of the head, say, all the self-sabotaging tendencies, release. Tapping the point below the lips, say, all the karmic exchanges, release. Tapping the points on the collarbones, say, all the obstacles, release. Tapping the point on the left underarm, say, all the resistances, release. Tapping the point on the right underarm, say, all the discomfort, release. So now rate your stress levels on the scale of 1 to 10 and see the difference. So EFT tapping has also been proven effective in treating a wide range of emotional and psychological issues such as phobias, post-traumatic stress disorder, old trauma, addictions, and many more. It's also a great tool for managing physical pain associated with the stress and anxiety. One of the best things about EFT tapping is that it is a natural and non-surgical technique, meaning it doesn't involve medications or invasive treatments. It's an easy, self-administered method that you can practice anytime and anywhere. So if you have liked this technique and found it useful, please like and share this video to your friends and family members. By sharing this information, you can help others discover the power of EFT tapping and improve their emotional health. Join our community by clicking the link in the description to access our emotional healing sessions.